Hello, this is a review of the Mizudo 800 GPD Instant Hot Water Dispenser, the first of its kind. This is an amazing all-in-one RO purification and instant heating system. The Mizudo 800 GPD is an under-sink RO filter system that combines water purification and instant heating, offering a huge 2.1 liter high flow rate, along with 6-level temperature control to meet various needs. Unlike other common hot water dispensers, Mizudo has adopted external tank heating instead of internal heating from the inside the tank, which can eliminate electrical leaks and enables faster and more uniform heating with larger heating surface and avoids temperature fluctuation by separating cold and hot water. The hot water comes out instantly. You'll see at the end of my video, it is literally steaming. The system is quiet. You don't ever hear it running. The Mizudo RO hot water system is the ultimate all-in-one solution that saves over 70% on water and electricity costs compared to conventional heating devices. With its 3-year RO filter lifespan and a remarkable 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, you can slash your daily costs to as low as 0.1% per day. This RO system is unrivaled with its 9-stage filtration system. Its self-cleaning 9-stage RO filtration system ensures an extended filter lifespan and durable performance for, again, up to 3 years. There is a precise 6-level temperature control, which makes it easy to customize your drink temperatures from 104 degrees to 203 degrees. This one-of-a-kind RO water heating system is great for hot tea, coffee, even baby formula or oats in the morning, heating up water faster. This system fills a cup in 5 seconds or a saucepan in just 20 seconds, catering to all intensive water needs during large gatherings or parties. Let's talk installation. As you saw earlier, this comes with all the accessories you need for the system. My sink is a stainless steel sink and does not have any openings, so we had to get a stainless steel drill bit to drill a hole. We got this bit from our local hardware store to tape off the area so we didn't scratch the sink. We used WD-40 to assist with a smoother cut. We cut the hole to 1¼ inch diameter. This is a process you want to take slow so you don't damage your sink. As you saw, we prepped the faucet earlier by unscrewing the silver base and loosening the tension screw that goes underneath the sink. After drilling the hole to the size we needed, we cleaned up the tape in the area and started inserting the tubing. The tension screw will pop open once it's inserted, and the black base will hold it in place, and then you just use a screwdriver to tighten the screw. Then you just use the screwdriver to tighten the tension screw into place and screw the silver cap back down onto the black base. The installation instructions are pretty clear, and all of the tubing and pieces are labeled clearly to make it easier to understand what it is you're doing. After getting the faucet secured in place, we moved underneath the sink and we started with turning off our water. Next, we unscrewed the cold water valve and installed the stop valve for the feed water. All the tubing is marked with a black line, so you are sure to insert it as far as it needs to go without causing any problems. Once you have the tube installed, you just screw that back on to where the cold water valve is. The next step in the installation was to install the RO drain connector. You will need 1/4 inch bit to drill a hole at the base of your drain connector. After you drill the hole, make sure to clean up the area and then adhere the foam seal adhesive. Then position the drain connector on the sink drain tubing with screws and nuts. Be sure to fully fasten the connector so there is no chance for leaking. After making sure the connector was fully installed, we grabbed the system that is going under the sink and located the pure water, raw water, and drain water ports. You have to remove the capping that's in place by pressing the gray part down and then pulling back. After the caps are removed, you insert the tubing connectors. Each one is clearly labeled so you know exactly where they go. Then we put the system under the sink and started inserting the individual tubes for pure water, raw water, and drain water. Each of them being marked with a black line so you know exactly how far to place the tubing inside without getting leakage or causing clogging. The drain water tube will directly insert into the hole that you created near the drainage base. Next, you will screw together the power cord to the faucet. Next, you will uncap the hot water and the air outlets, so you can connect the clearly marked tubing to the proper areas. After double checking to make sure everything was properly connected, we placed the system under the sink. The next step is to turn your water back on for a chance to catch any leaking. It also makes sure that the system is not overwhelmed.
It's a good sign.
The next step is the best step. Plug your system in. It will automatically power on. Then you will hold your finger on the ambient water droplet. A countdown will come on and the system will start flushing for 16 minutes. It will turn off when the system is done flushing. Now you have successfully installed your Mizudo 800 GPD, first in the industry, instant hot water dispenser RO system. Now that I've taught you how to install it, let me give you my honest review. I love this thing. I live in Houston, Texas. Our water quality is very poor. This is an efficient and effective water filtration system that allows me to have hot water in an instant. It fills my cup up quickly. It's a sleek, modern design that doesn't interrupt the aesthetic of my kitchen. I could not recommend it enough. I absolutely love my Mizudo 800 Instant Hot Water RO system. It is so easy to use and ensures 3 years of clean water for me and my family.